Want a smarter way to track your health? The Oura Ring Gen 3 is a sleek, smart ring that monitors your sleep, heart health, activity, and recovery around the clock, helping you stay healthier every day. What's in the box? Inside the box, you'll find the Oura Ring Gen 3, size-specific standard charger, USB-C cable, user manual. How to pair. Download the Oura app from the App Store or Google Play. Open the app, then sign in to your existing account or create a new one. Make sure Bluetooth is enabled on your phone. Place the Oura Ring near your device, select it in the app, and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the pairing process. Enter your personal information, choose your health and activity preferences, and allow the requested permissions. Once setup is complete, your Oura Ring is ready to track your sleep, activity, and wellness. How to charge. Place the Oura Ring on the included charging dock and ensure it is properly aligned with the charging contacts. Connect the dock to a USB power source using the included cable, and the ring will begin charging automatically. Leave it on the charger until the battery is full, and check the charging status anytime through the Oura app. How to wear. Wear the Oura Ring on your index, middle, or ring finger with the sensors positioned on the palm side for the most accurate tracking. Try a few ring sizes to find one that feels snug but comfortable. The ring should stay in place without pinching or feeling too loose. Move and flex your hand to ensure there are no noticeable gaps between the ring and your finger. Wear it for at least 24 hours before deciding on the best size, as finger size can change throughout the day. Smart features. Tracks sleep, heart rate, HRV, activity, and recovery while monitoring your health day and night. It delivers personalized insights through the Oura app and helps you build healthier habits. Uses advanced sensors for accurate health monitoring and tracks key body signals in real time. It detects changes in your wellness and provides reliable daily health data. Crafted from durable, lightweight titanium for comfortable all-day and overnight wear, its sleek, minimalist design is water-resistant for everyday use. Provides up to 7 days of battery life for continuous health tracking while reducing the need for frequent charging. The included charging dock makes recharging quick and convenient. Specifications. Frequently asked questions. Safety precautions. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more videos. See you in the next one.